enter. Amazing!
Warm here.
Bar right there.
Change outfits! Change outfits!
Change out.
These are all sea lion skulls. Amazing! Amazing!
I didn't see all those. You see all of them there?
Right, because the way these form is through a very slow cooling in outer space. They cannot form here on Earth.
Oh, he wants a meteorite. Nice.
Because this pattern can be replicated under special conditions.
Oh, that would suck to pay that much and it's fake.
It would. And so they're used to model different impacts. So you can take different objects and you can throw them. And it models craters.
I'm gonna throw this like as hard as I can.
No.
No.
Harder than the others, perhaps.
Yeah.
Nice one.
That looks good.
Yay! There's 3 cupcakes. Yeah, looks good.
We are about to enter Rainforest. Yay! Butterflies.
Cool looking.
Hello there.
There's another one here, babe. I think you'll get a better
Someone's
That's awesome.
happy with the turtles. He loves turtles.
I like turtle.
This is my evolution. Metamorphosis. I'm a butterfly. Are we good? We are good. We are inside the bat cave. They call it the cave dwellers. So they're like life past here. Can you hear them?
Humans are primates.
I know. But not all primates are human. The evolution of man is here.
That's basically just vodka.
Excuse me.
Oh, this is cool. Yes. Wow, Philippines. For the grand finale. Cute penguins. Go swim, go swim, go swim. Oh, this is a nice hangout place. Look, so cool, right? Yay! So pretty cool. We are hungry and we are going back in Union Square to have dinner. I'm craving for Japanese food. So we found a place nearby our hotel.
Maru.
Yes, we are going to Maru Sushi.
Yep.
It's been fun here at California Academy of Sciences. Lovebirds, where is our Uber? Where is our Uber?
1 minute away.
Okay, we have arrived. Your favorite. I am really happy with this. I love Japanese food, you know.
Yep. My bestie's fave.
Yep, I can eat it every day. Good night. Good food here. Hello, we are off to the Cheesecake Factory. Oh my god, guys. I'm in heaven. Okay, we have our table. So pretty here, guys. Okay, so the couple is
Girl, you gonna get buzzed.
drinking again. What about me? What about me? Yeah. Only Coke for me. Cheers! Hi! Yes. Here? Oh my god, this is a lot. Wow. Oh my god, this looks so good. That one is for Craig. What's that, Craig?
That is a chicken club avocado.
Oh.
Your favorite avocado.
No, I don't like it. So we have fish and chips for me and Steph.
She's like, boo.
Pasta. Look at this pasta though. I am so full. Oh my god, this is super good. Time for cheese. Let's try it. Good. We are so full. Look at the view. Thank you, Craig, for the treats. Okay, lovebirds, where are we headed next? Yes, look at our outfit. Look at our outfit. Look, it matches. Ta-da! See, I match with them. You're about to enter here at the Palace of Fine Arts. Welcome to the channel! This is so pretty! Oh my god, I love it here, guys. Sobrang magnificent. Look! You know, the videos and photos can't do them justice. I love you both. I love you. So we are here just outside the Palace of Fine Arts and chilling around, killing time while waiting for OJ. Yay! I'm going to see OJ again after how many years. He's already based here in San Francisco, actually Concord, I think. They just bought a house there in Concord for his family, so it's gonna be a good catch-up session here while we are having a nice view here. are here. We love it. It looks so fancy. It's like a Brazilian steakhouse. So nice. Thank you, OJ. I'll wait for you. I'm waiting for you. OJ.
Hello.
What resolution?
OJ, I miss you. Thank you for meeting me. And I'm so happy that you met Craig also.
This is a good guy, right?
And my bestie here. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Heaven. Thank you. They are interviewing stuff. I'm eating.
It's not good.
Another round of filet mignon for us.
No.
Yeah.
Have to do that.
Like 2 hours, man. There's like an accident somewhere. Maybe all of our revenue orders, I'm responsible for scheduling. For example, so we have like our customers are like the big names like Apple, Google.
Yeah.
Those are our customers.
Yay!
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Parabéns pra você, nessa data querida, felicidade, tudo vai terminar. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Make a wish!
Make a wish. Thank you, bestie.
Thanks, OJ.
Yep.
Anytime. Seem like a cool dude.
Yeah, thank you.
Really
You too. Bye.
Thank you. Good morning. It's our last day here in San Francisco, and for today it's gonna be like a lazy day only because we want to go back to San Jose so we can rest and with Stephanie's family. But here we are at the diner. Morning. We found a diner here beside our hotel, and it's really cute. I'm gonna tour you around later, but for now I'm so hungry, so I need energy and I need to eat first. Oh god, these pancakes are so big. Look.
I'm sorry. It's okay. I'm sorry.
Cutie pie! Game area here. That's the kitchen over there. Such a cute diner. It's time to go back to San Jose. Beautiful. It's been fun. I'm excited to video edit this one.